So welcome to another Clojure book video. So today, what we are going to do is we are going to create our own Clojure library and deploy it to Clojars. So that's what we are just going to do. And yeah, I'm just going to follow my book. So that's the thing. So yeah, let me just take my terminal and I am in a folder called code and I will just do what to say mk, okay, make directory and what to say, cd into that directory. This is alias I just added, right? So and then okay, clojars deploy, and that's the thing. And over here I'll just create a new Lineagen project. So right, and, that's the thing. And yeah, and let me just go into this print line, right? So yeah, and then now let me what to say, open my VS Code over here. Before I was using VS Code Codium, but something happened with Calva and it, so I'm just using VS Code. But I don't like VS Code because it's a Microsoft product. Yeah, so that's the thing. And yeah, so that's it. You have done all the necessary things, and yeah, this is not about more about this is not like learning Clojure or something. This is like deploying Clojure code to somewhere. Okay, so in code.clj, just copy this and paste it. Okay, and let's just test it for the sake of testing, and that is like using Ripple. We are not doing any automated tests, and yeah, that's about it. And the only change I just want to do is like I just want to go to Clojure 12.4 now. Okay, because when I was writing, maybe yeah, this was Clojure 1.11, and yeah, and now I just want to go to 1.12, right? And now let me just jack in, right? So jack in. Oops, to put jack in, and of course Leningen. That's the only Clojure stuff I just use, right? So yeah, right. And hopefully, yeah, it's been jacked in, and yeah, over here you just have the Ripple, the code is here. I just load the print line. And now, yeah, from my book, let me just see, okay, whether it's working. Okay, so I'll just put print line and star. It should print some stars, I think. Okay, I don't know how many stars it's printing. But yeah, I think it's 80, yeah, right? So, okay, so then, yeah, like I'll just put print line $20 and then that should also work. But yeah, you can't print $20. Only the federal bank can, right? And print line 30, right? Maybe if you're in North Korea, you could. That's the thing, right? So, okay, right? So, yeah. So you have this Clojars, okay, right? So, and you need to register in that. I would have said how to register in that and all those things. And then, yeah, you also need to, yeah, once you're registered, you need to go to the dashboard, right? So that's the thing. And let me just, and then there is a thing called group verification. You need to create a new group, okay, to deploy your project. Okay, so, and I'll just follow my book almost exactly because, um, okay, so over here, let's say your username is John Doe in Clojars. Definitely you will have a group name called or Clojars John Doe. And now I just want to create another subgroup called printline. Okay, so, but yeah, I've already created or closures minus lab printline. So I'll just create another printline or something like that. Okay, so over here I'll just give like, okay, right. Okay, so let me just give it like, where is it? Org dot clojures. I've already done something like printline 2 and I think I messed it up. So, but yeah, so I'm just creating a new group called printline 3, right? That's the thing. Once that has been done, you need to get this stuff called deploy tokens. This is what is going to deploy your stuff to Clojars. Okay, right? So, and just to be safe, I'm only doing it only for printline 3. Okay, in case you see the token and you try to do something malicious, it'll only affect print line 3. And I'm just only going to keep it for 1 hour. So before you see the video, this token will expire, right? So please fill out, okay, like print line 3 and yeah, so create token and yeah, I just have this token over here. Good. Okay, so now all we just need to do is to deploy the software, right? So yeah, we'll see how to deploy. Okay, so yeah, getting the deployment tokens is here, right? Okay, uploading to Clojure. So I just need to what to say, keep this repositories, and I don't know how to create, how to have our own personalized Clojure server. So maybe if I'm just serving some company that company would like to have, but I don't know, like maybe I'll just ask the Clojure community and I'll put videos about it. Maybe, yeah, I'm not assuring anything, right? And over here, it is like, okay, I don't know how I found this out, but yeah, like it is, you need to keep this URL and it should be print line 3. Okay, so that's the thing, right? And I don't know what is the final release for, but that's how it just worked out for me, right? So yeah, like, and that's the thing. And project.clj, I just want like 112.4. Yeah, everything seems to be okay. And we also need to check some other stuff. Okay, right. So over here, I just need to change from the sprint line in project.clj to this thing or closures minus lab print line. Okay, right. For me, it is what to say, print line 3 now. Okay, so I'll just put this right and make this print line 3, right? And I think that's about it. Okay, right? And all I just need to do is lean deploy Clojures. Okay, so I'll just put my terminal, right? And I just need to have a new terminal. This is Calva running and all those things. Okay, so yeah. And lean deploy Clojures. Okay, so now it'll just ask my username. And you'd have given some password. Don't give that password. This is the deploy tokens you need to give. And look, I don't know who designed Clojures, but yeah, please. This is confusing, right? So maybe like I'm not sure. Look, I'm really not sure, right? So and maybe if we can add some SSH keys and do something like that and get the repository from here, won't that be good? But I'm not sure, right? So yeah. And I just pasted my password over here and yeah, like hopefully things are going inside and yeah, something is happening. Everything is going okay, I think. Okay, right. Yeah, okay, yeah. I think it just went in, and I just don't know, like, I'll just go and see my dashboard now. Okay, right. Deployed or closures. Yeah, something has been deployed. Yeah, okay. So yeah, now I just got something I can put it in my engine, right? So that's the thing, right? And yeah, so I just deployed my code and blah 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 and all those things. Actually, we look, this is just like look, homepage and all, it's not there. Actually, it should be there, okay, right? So, but yeah, this is just for Clojure book. Right, so okay, fine. Now let's use this somewhere. Okay, so no need this. Okay, so I'll just put like okay, like I'll just put like okay, I'll just jack out first. Okay, jack out. Okay, so jack out, and that's about it. So I'll just open another project. Okay, so file. Um, Okay, or just let me just come over here, right? So let me just close my thing. Okay, right. So, and let me just follow my book because I'm very comfortable with my book. Okay, so and right, using your library. Okay, right. So this is there. Okay, try print line. Okay, so this is the print line stuff. Okay, so I shouldn't do it over here. I'll just go to a level up, okay, right, and ls and print line is there, and then I'll just put this lean new try print line. Okay, so that's the thing, and yeah, and then z okay, or cd, I just use a thing called z oxide, and that's really good. But yeah, you can also do with cd, okay, and code dot, okay, right. So that's the thing. It just opened, and I just want like 112.4. Okay, so um right. Okay, so now all I just need to do is like, okay, right, so include this. Okay, minus lab print line, but over here this one is like, yeah, this is print line 3. Okay, right, and I just need to include it somewhere, right? So yeah, over here I'm just including it, and that's about it. Okay, so when I jack in, it should be loaded and all those stuff. And then, yeah, let me go back to my book, right? And okay, like core.clj, right? I'm just including this stuff. Okay, right. So require println.core as println and then println. Okay, right. So I don't know whether it should be println.core or println3 or something like that. But yeah, let me just copy this, put it in core.clj, right? Core.clj, right? Okay, so I've just done it. Oops, let me just remove this stuff out. Okay, right? So, okay, that's been removed. Now let me just jack in, right? Jack in, right, linen gen, and yeah, now it'll just actually download my print line stuff. I don't know where it's showing. Yeah, like, yeah, retrieving, yeah, print line 3, yeah, it's showing over here. Yeah, right. And let me see whether it works. It seems to work. Okay, yeah. PL slash print line star. Yeah, it's working. PL print line 30. It seems to work. PL dollar. Of course, you can't print $40 if you're American, right? And of course, there's no $40. Right. So, right. So that's the thing. So that's how it works. Okay, right. So I think the namespace it is getting it from this thing, right? So in this project, when we start the project, right? So where is it? Yeah, new print line, and we are putting this code.clj, and over here we are putting print line over here, right? So that's where I think it is getting the namespace, right? So yeah, okay, so right, so this printline.co corresponds to this thing, right? So this println.core, which we did it in this project, lean new println. Okay, so right. Okay, so maybe yeah, it's not right to put println.core. It is better to put it like org mindaslab dot println 3. Okay, over here org dot mindaslab dot println 3 dot core. Okay. So then yeah, I need to have folder structures and all those things. But yeah, this is just to show how to deploy to Clojures and then how to use it in your own project. Okay, right. Whatever libraries you have deployed. So yeah, I think this suffice. Okay, right. Even though it's not super perfect, it's like putting A is 20, B is 30, and then adding those two. Right. It's not a right way to code, but yeah, just to teach, it's okay. Right. So this is how you deploy a library to Clojures, then include that library, and then you can use it. Okay. So anyway, happy Clojuring or okay. And anyway, like, bye.